Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve a memory management error you're getting on your Windows computer. So assuming you have or potentially do have bad memory sticks, this tutorial should hopefully be able to address the issue. And if it's not able to resolve the problem, it'll let you know that there is one and you might need to actually repair or replace your memory sticks. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the start menu, and you want to type in memory diagnostic, and one of the best matches should say Windows memory diagnostic. You want to left click on that match. Should say check your computer for memory problems. Memory problems can cause your computer to lose information or stop working. I recommend left clicking on this button that says restart now and check for problems. Recommended. Save your work and close any open programs before restarting. You want to left click on that once you have closed out of any open applications and you've conformed to that. And this will take some time, so just be patient. Okay, everyone, I'm back. So let's sign back into our computer here. And that should honestly be about it for this tutorial. So I do hope this tutorial was able to address your issue. If it did find anything, it would notify you as the user. And that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out. And as always, thank you for watching. And I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.